So, back. Still have the hiccups. Uh, yesterday, it actually didn't start till like 4, 5 hours after I woke up. When I mean start, I mean like this. Um, I had a few like maybe 10, maybe less, one here and there, two here and there, but eventually it started. Um, today, it didn't even give me a chance. It was like 3 or 4 minutes after I got up out the bed. It started. Right now it's a little bit heavy because I just ate. Because whenever I eat, it gets worse. It really sucks. Acid burn and just food coming up every minute. Every minute, gotta spit. It's really gross. Spit in a cup every minute stinks. But I actually put ice in the cup, so it helps with the scent. But in like a hour to two, I have to get up and empty the cup. Really gross. But the Tums help a lot. But hiccups still here. It's just crazy. Maybe one of these time I'll record how my stomach goes. But for now, hiccup is still here. If anybody came up with a cure, let me know. It's my beautiful fiance. She's running. She keeps me sane. Her and my daughters. I would have probably given up if it wasn't for them, but I'm still here, fighting a good fight since March 2nd, 2018. Anyway, peace out. Happy Easter Sunday. There she is. Hey, boo. Hey, boo boo. Crystal.
Hey, babe.
All right. Somebody find me a cure for my hiccups. You're gonna be famous if you do. Trust me. Because Kaiser can't figure it out after a year. I'm actually trying some herbs. I'm from Belize, Central America. We have this you call herb doctor. In the Caribbean, we call him bush doctor. Come here, Raya. So I got some medicine from the bush doctor. Friday I've been trying it. Hopefully it works. Come here. This is my princess. One of them. What is your name?
Araya.
It's my twin. They say I don't see how, because look how beautiful she is. Like, look at me.
My daddy has washed my hair today.
Yeah, I got wash her hair. I'm gonna try my
I'm
best.
scared. I'm scared.
I get the video turned out to be about her. But all right, guys, bye.
And my daddy is sick.
Yes, he is, but he'll be better soon, right?
Yeah.
All right, let me kiss.
Mm.
All right,
Oh, you
bye. Crystal.
Krista. Talk. Hi, talk in the video.